Yeah, mama! Oh, son of a bitch!
We got some fish on there, baby!
Yeah, the gaffer!
First fish in.
Publicly backed Battle receiver Antonio Brown, saying we're going to support him. It's like 7:07. Hello, Mike. He was just in Bimini last week. We're going again. He's going again this week.
I was only there for about 10 minutes.
We're heading out.
I'm going back to bed.
Oh, we're loaded up. It's gonna, and we got a lot of bait. These guys. So we should be there. 7:07 is gonna take us till 8 to get out of here, out of the intercoastal. And on our way to Bimini, we should be there by 10:30 or 10. Right?
Yep. As long as the fish don't get wet.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. Single sailing. Bimini.
We are lucky.
Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Okay. Say goodbye to Miami. Bimini bound. Say goodbye to Miami.
Hey, Bernie! Where's the fish?
Yeah, we got one.
Keep trolling. Keep moving.
Got something.
Yeah, he's got a dolphin probably. All right, Dad, nice and easy. That's a dolphin.
Slow it down. Slow it down a little bit. Yeah, slow it down a little bit.
All right,
Lucky lure again.
we need the gap.
Get that tether out.
No, it's a silverfish.
No, it's a dolphin.
Get that tether
Uncle Bill,
out.
pass me the. Oh, I got it. Which feather, Mike?
The red and white feather.
Oh, the jig?
Yeah.
Here. I'll gaff. You catch some more.
Oh, not that big one.
That's okay. He looks like a keeper to me.
There's dinner.
Here, Mike.
We got dinner. No hot dogs tonight.
Yeah. That's right. We're gonna eat fresh fish tonight.
Sushi. Oh, that's a dolphin, yeah.
Oh yeah, you got him, Dad.
See, I didn't see him now. He's too busy filming. I think it's the lucky sunglasses. That's what it is.
Well, he's the one who lost his, so you're gonna catch all the big fish now, Dad.
Where you want him at?
Just keep pulling him in. I'll try to get him. Get him in the boat.
You'll see us, Bill. We don't know how to gaff or shit on this.
Beautiful. I love that. All right.
All right, Uncle Bill. Now turn the boat a little bit to the left on the fish.
Left?
Or to the right. Sorry, to the right. Turn onto the fish. All right, Dad. Walk up where Mike is, and I'm gonna get about where you are.
He was a good jumper, too.
Do we still have a jig out?
That's what's following him in.
Here he comes, Dad. Here he comes. Yeah, that's a keeper.
Really?
20 inches. Should be. He looks good.
Slow down?
No.
Maybe a hair if you want. It doesn't really matter. You're doing good.
Oh, right. Go.
All right, Dad.
Get him,
gaffer.
First fish in. Hold him up.
Oh, beautiful, Scott. All right, guys.
First fish on the way to Bimini. Let's get some more.
Birds on the left.
Hey, Bill. Heading towards Bimini.
Over to the left, Uncle Bill. Over to the left. Yeah, go around this. There's definitely fish on that. What are we in? 950 feet.
Scott, I would just hang on, unless you're making a sandwich. Yeah, I would hang on to that because there's a lot of weeds around here.
Yeah. Keep that tight, Uncle Bill. Keep that tight. You guys both.
You're down low. You guys are gonna have to.
You got to reel that little thing.
What? We have anything else out?
They're under and over each other.
Here, let me get on the back, Mike. You want me to help you?
Fix that. Clear my line.
Yep.
Nothing on there anymore.
No,
You're still on. Keep it
The
tight.
other pole is tight.
You got a good one, Uncle Bill. Keep that real tight.
Here's, gotta take this over here.
Oh, yeah, mama! Oh, son of a bitch!
We got some fish on there, baby. Uncle Bill, I think you got a good one, Uncle Bill. Don't lose yours. No pressure.
I gotta record this puppy.
I think we both got pretty decent fish here. It's down. Oh, we're going into the weeds. Somebody grab the wheel. Oh, crap. Yeah, back us out, Mike. Back us out.
Oh my God.
Yep. Go, Uncle Bill. Keep it real tight. Real tight. Oh, I got a good one, man. We got good fish. As fast as you can, Uncle Bill. Fast as you can. You're doing good. I see you. Hit it straight down. Hit it straight down. Go to the side, Uncle Bill. I saw your fish. It's getting close.
Stop. Hold that rod.
Just. Oh, these are bulls. Oh, I lost mine.
No, you didn't.
Yep. Mine came off, so you got to catch yours, Uncle Bill. Nuh-uh. And I lost mine. Damn it. Let it go. Damn. All right, let's go again. They're here. I know I had a really good one on. Damn.
What do you want me to do with this?
Let's try to take the hook out. What did he eat? Oh, he ate a ballyhoo. You can cut that.
He ate a dolphin.
He might have, Mike.
How big? 3 feet, 4 feet, 4 feet?
It's big.
You want to get video of this, Scott?
I'm recording. Damn, man, I lost a nice dolphin.
You lost
I got
him?
pliers here too if you need to cut it, because he's big.
Go ahead, take one. Are you going to go now? What are you going to do?
Yep.
Hold on. Can you hold on 1 second?
Yeah, what do you want to hold him?
I want a video if I can. Yeah.
Grab by the lip.
Yeah.
I think he ate.
Hold that, Mike.
Did you go already?
Nope.
We're gonna let you go, pal. Take it easy.
Oh, look at the cheesies.
Go, Scott. We don't want to take you into the emergency room. Who's at the flag?
Whoa, shit. Yeah. Hold on, I don't want to fall over.
You can just cut it if you want, Mike, unless you want to try to get it out. Let's get back on those dolphins. Yeah, I know, those are real bad. You can't close them? I have another pair in my tackle box. Ow.
You good?
Yeah.
Man, you get a workout though.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll have it fresh tonight. Almost there.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
I knew he'd take it right away.
Did you film it or not?
Look at the big one.
That was awesome.
Came off pretty easy. I thought you were the rope too.
You got another one of them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're not swimming anymore tonight.
Or ever.
Yeah, I'm hanging my ass off the side.
You're under me, I think. Yeah.
First fish of the day. It'll be breakfast.
Coda.
Is that your bait or is that the fish on there?
Fish.
You better not lose my lure.
It's a lamprey.
It's a lamprey. Oh, it's mackerel.
Oh, mackerel. Spanish
In the
bag.
cooler.
You'll enjoy real pricing on actual inventory and a simpler buying experience whether you buy new or used. And with TrueCar, users can see what others paid so they know if they're getting a good deal before buying. They're also more likely to enjoy a faster buying experience by connecting with TrueCar's certified dealers.
How far out? I'm not sure.
TrueCar and enjoy a more confident car buying experience. Some features not available in all states. And now, the iHeartRadio Sports Time Capsule.
Hey, folks, sports fan, this is Andy West, and I'm here to take you on a journey back to
gaining on it?
sport history. All right, let's start way
How
back
big
in
is it?
1890, where future Hall of
It
Fame
can't be up here already. He took out a lot of line.
three-hitter in his Major League Baseball debut for the Cleveland Spiders in an 8-1 win versus the Chicago Colts. This week in 1951, the first baseball game
How big
was
is he?
broadcast in color on CBS TV
gotta
in
be
New
good,
York
'cause he's
City.
pulling
The
good
Boston
draft.
Braves versus the Brooklyn Dodgers.
Haven't seen
This week in 1988,
Oh,
the
yeah,
great
fuck.
one is traded to the LA Kings. Wayne Gretzky is traded from the Edmonton Oilers. At age 27, Gretzky was already widely considered the greatest player in hockey history and was the owner of 43 National Hockey League scoring records. Also this week in 1988, the lights go on at Wrigley. The Chicago Cubs host the first
gotta go
night
up
game
over
in the
that rock,
history of Wrigley Field. Although it got rained out in the bottom of the fourth inning, the first officially recorded night game was a 6-4 win over the New York Mets on August 9th. This week in 2010, Jerry Rice was inducted into the Pro Football Hall of Fame. During his career, Rice was selected to the Pro Bowl a record 13 times, won the NFL MVP award in 1987, and was the Super Bowl MVP in Super Bowl
getting your hook back?
23.
That's your iHeartRadio Weekend Sports Time Capsule.
I can hold it.
Take a
Oh.
trip back with this week's Live Almanac.
Hey, rock and roll lovers, it's Andy West, and let's take a trip back to this week.
Here you go, Bill.
in rock and roll
Yeah,
history.
good. I'm recording.
In 1960,
There you go, Scott.
Checker appeared on American Bandstand and performed The Twist. The song went to #1 on the Billboard Hot 100.
Here, Bill.
And 18 months later in 1962, it's the only song to go to the top of the charts.
You want the players, Scott?
Let's jump ahead to this week in 1981. Katie Mitz releases her first solo album, Belladonna.
He's not done yet.
Top 40 Billboard chart hit. Stop Dragging My Heart Around with Tom Petty, Leather and Lace with John Henley, Edge of 17, and After the Glitter Fades. This week in 2001, Whitney Houston became one of the highest paid musicians in the world after signing a unique deal with Arista Records, said to be worth more than $100 million. And this week in 1995, the original members of Kiss played together for the first time since 1980 when Peter Criss and Ace Frehley joined the current band to record their MTV Unplugged special, which is
So now we're out here fishing in the morning, Sunday morning, and slicing up some dolphin here. And over here you see Chef Mike.
I was a pack-a-day smoker for
This is our breakfast. Getting some more my breakfast.
look in their eye, like they recognize the smell on you, and you just die a little inside.
What are you guys doing this morning?
Yeah.
That's what we're doing in Bimini.
It's like a weight lifted off of you.
Here's our breakfast in Bimini. Toasted bagels, fresh mahi-mahi. Captain Mike.
Anybody interested?
On the grill.
Interest anybody in a toasted bagel?
And chips.
Oh. I don't know. Real. Go, Bill. Get him in here.
Go, Uncle Bill, go. And we got another weed patch.
Keep moving like that. I'm trying to get another one on.
Yep. You're gonna get one out this weed patch here, Mike.
Rod tip up, real. Keep tension, real.
Yeah, pick your rod tip up. All right, Mike. I'm gonna bring this patch over on your side. Was it a little tuna? I'm gonna bring it by on your side because you got a bait ready to go.
Well, we're actually crisscross, so. Is it blackfin or skipjack?
Skipjack. Here, Mike. What does it got? Let's see, Uncle Bill. Hold it up. What'd you get? Let's see. A whopper? Ooh.
Is that a tuner? Now, what is that? Look at it bouncing.
He's jumping!
Oh!
I wonder how he got it. I'm hoping I lose him.
That son of a bitch is going, man, my head's hurt.
Nice fish.
Oh, good catch there, Dad.
And I just caught.
Yeah.
You could get $250 back. Don't miss it. Go to Xfinity.com, call 1-800-XFINITY, or visit an Xfinity store today. Requires special filling only. Restrictions apply. Connect Xfinity and glass internet systems only. Equipment, taxes, and fees, including DVDA, and extra and subsidy. After seeing agreement term and 1-year Showtime promo, regular rates apply.
Hi, I'm attorney Robert Rubenstein, and this is Rubenstein's Rules for Personal Injury. Full number 11, truck accidents.
Come on.
Oh
no, he just broke. Still there. Back on it.
When accidents happen, driving without food can be as dangerous as drunk driving. Roads can be too heavy.
Oh, it's a skipjack.
Alright,
Bump it up a little. Bit. I want to drag this big.
Oh no, you got a tuna.
Is he big enough to keep?
Yeah, you can eat that.
Can I?
That raw.
Near you.
If you fill up with 8 gallons or more, it can also help you run 3 fuel
All right, dude.
gasket.
What do you want to do?
I might do. I'll take him home and cut him up on Grand and stop.
Raw water, bled like crazy.
Sorry, I almost flipped you off. I'm trying to get you on video.
I just go?
Yep. He's coming after. He was doing what you said, cutting to the back to try to avoid slowing down. That's a nice boat, Mike. Well, we made it back. No rain in Bimini. Get back, clean off the boat. Starts pouring just after we unload everything. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. Good trip. Yeah, boy. Hey, a little rain never hurt anybody. Yeah, boy.